Don't panic when you encounter a blue screen error. I'm going to show you how to fix this problem step by step. Let's begin. Now click on Advanced Options, then select Troubleshoot, select Advanced Options, and then select Command Prompt. It will open Command Prompt window. Type chkdsk/f/r:" and hit enter to execute the command. Now wait for some time to complete the process. Once done, move to the next step. Now type c:" and hit enter. Now we need to type cd space c:/ and hit enter to execute. Type cd space Windows and simply hit enter to execute the command. Then type cd space system32 and hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type cd space config and simply hit enter. Now execute this command carefully. Type in md space backup and simply hit enter to execute it. Now type copy space *** space backup and hit enter. Now type md space backup1 and simply hit enter. Now type copy space *** space backup1 and hit enter. Now type cd regback and hit enter. Then type dir and simply hit enter. Now type copy space *** space ... and hit enter. Then type all and hit enter to execute the command. Type in bootrec space /fixmbr and hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type in bootrec /fixboot and hit enter. Now type in cd space c:/ and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space Windows /system32/config/regback and hit enter to execute. Now execute this command. Type bcdedit space /export space c:/bcd backup and simply hit enter to execute this command. Then move to the next one. Now type cd space c:/ and hit enter. Now type this md space boot and hit enter. Now type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and simply hit enter. Now type cd space c:/ and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type attrib space c:/boot /bcd space -h space -r space -s and simply hit enter. Type in ren c:/boot /bcd bcd.old and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type bootrec space /rebuildbcd and hit enter. Now type exit and simply hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.